So welcome back once again to What Gear Reviews, and I think it's fair to say the computers have moved a long way in the last few years.
Just how much data do you think that little wafer can hold anyway?
More than they look like they'd hold, Smarty. Up to 2 megabytes.
Huh? 2 megabytes?
And this is the DELL XPS 7390, and it has a matte touch finish which gives it a slightly rubberized feel, and it gives you the first impression of this thing could handle some serious wear and tear. And Dell have used really premium materials here like magnesium alloy to enhance its durability even further. And you've also got these awesome hinges that allow you to flip the screen all the way around, hence the name, 2-in-1. So thanks to the hinges on this, when you flip this screen all the way over, what it actually does is it turns it into a fully functioning tablet, and it mutes the keys on the back so they don't do anything at all. And also it has an accelerometer in it, so it knows which way round you're using the computer. So you've got the portrait mode like this and the landscape mode like this. That's pretty awesome. And I must say, when using the screen as a tablet, it's even more impressive because it's quite rare to see a tablet of this ratio and size, and it's a really nice user experience. The stylus also adds to its usability, and I'll talk a bit more about that later on in the video. But check this out, it's magnetic, and I like that. The screen on the XPS 7390 is a 13-inch Full HD IGZO IPS panel with a 170-degree viewing angle. And you can also get this in a Quad HD version if you want to upgrade. Dell have used Gorilla Glass 4, which makes its touchscreen much more resistant. In fact, it's 10 times more scratch resistant than soda lime glass. And you'll see this similar glass on almost all the flagship smartphones out there on the market today. Now what's really fantastic about this is Dell have managed to compact a 13-inch screen into the shell of a 12-inch laptop. Now this is actually one of the smallest 2-in-1 laptops you can get on the market today when it comes to 13-inch displays. And when using this in laptop mode, its chiclet keyboard is backlit and the keys have a really nice tactile feel, and it's quite satisfying really. And I'm also a fan of the USB-C charger. Just check this out, little LEDs in the side. I know it's a little thing, but I really appreciate this. Because you know those annoying times when you can't find the right cable for your laptop and you're only willing to use minimum effort to find it. And in the end it takes ages. And then you finally find it and you realize that it's not plugged in. Well, with this simple idea, you can avoid all of this headache. I must admit, this is a really simple but brilliant idea here from Dell. As for its performance, this latest version of the XPS 13 is now 10% faster than previous models. And bear in mind, this thing is built for business. So of course, it needs to be up to spec. So let's talk about the specs. This version right here has an 8th gen i7 1.9 GHz processor with an 8 megabyte cache and 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. And if you don't know what this all means, it means it boots up really quick, it multitasks really well, and is super fast. As for its storage, it has a class 20 256 gigabyte solid state drive, which means no moving parts inside the hard drive and even faster loading times. As for the colors on the XPS's screen, I have to say it's really impressive, and I've seen a lot of laptops over the years. And this one has a 70% color gamut with a 1000:1 contrast ratio and 400 nits of brightness. And what does that mean? Well, it's really bright, it's really colorful, and the darkness is really dark. And the XPS houses a lot of ports, and Dell offer a lot of add-ons if you want to extend them even further. On board is an audio jack, a SIM card tray, a micro SD card slot, a USB 3.1, an RJ45 port, a Noble wedge lock slot, a HDMI output port, and 2 USB-Cs. And this USB-C port here on the side is what they call a display port. It can actually output this screen to another monitor or laptop, and it's also used for charging the computer, and it can also be used to charge another device using a USB-C cable. That's pretty awesome from one port. And the XPS 2-in-1 has a widescreen HD 720 selfie camera with dual array microphone for those all important Skype calls. And the battery life inside is also pretty outstanding, with up to 19 hours battery life, and you can even get an additional Dell Power Companion to extend the on time to over 32 hours. So let's start with Dell's Active Pen. Now, Dell have partnered up with Wacom, who are the global leader when it comes to this kind of stuff. The Active Pen can sense 2084 levels of pressure, which makes it perfect for artists and designers. Also, it's a really good tool for taking notes or even just browsing the web. Also, Dell's screen can detect palm touches when drawing or writing, so no need to worry about that. The touchscreen has 10-point detection, which could be useful when gaming. The mouse pad also works really well and has some really nice features just like a Mac. And the built-in sound quality is also pretty good for a small computer. It's not going to be amazing when you consider how small those speakers are inside this thing, but it sounds pretty good to me. So my overall opinion on the Dell XPS 13 2-in-1, it's definitely one to keep an eye on if you're shopping around for a high quality compact laptop. And if you want to check out the latest prices, I've left a link in the description below. And would I recommend this over its comparable competitors? I would highly recommend this one, just based off of the build quality and the specs. Then on top of that, you've got the stylus and the tablet functionality, so what's not to like? So that's pretty much it for this really quick summary of this computer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and you will be one of the finest subscribers known to man. And stay tuned, make sure you turn on your notifications for the giveaways I'm doing in the future. And check out my other social media channels, they're doing pretty well too. And I'm planning to do a few more giveaways on different platforms, so make sure you follow me on all of them. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't be late.